What up, guys? We're back with another trade recap. On today's video, we're recapping the two trades I took today and both hit the take profit. So let's get into today's video. And fun fact, I have done this video for like 2 or 3 times already because my Wi-Fi was way too bad. I connected to my hotspot, so hopefully now everything will be alright. So you're probably asking, why did you take two trades? Well, because on the first trade we took, um, I couldn't go all in with, it wasn't all in, but but it exceeded my account limitations, I guess, and I only got filled with around 1.5, 1.6%, and then on this trade we took around 1.9%. So in total, today we're up around 1.5%. And I only took this trade because today was really great price action. I was very confident. I wanted to redeem myself because I knew that this is going to play out. And let's just get into it. Y'all are going to understand me. So coming in today, um, on daily we can go as well. Price action, we're very bullish. We're delivering higher and higher. How y'all see, we have been very bullish for the last week and more. So on a 1 hour, we are bouncing off this gap. On 15 minutes, we are bouncing off this gap. And it's so I think it wasn't anything else on 5 minutes, but yeah, so let's get into today's price action. So we deliver higher after this move. I was thinking, okay, I'm not going to take this inversion. It was a 2 minute inversion if you look at it, but I wasn't going to take it because we also had a 3 minute waiting and we had insane pullback. With that pullback, right? Why is my mom calling? Sorry, mom. Right, so with that pullback, we delivered high afterwards. Right, it's a little choppy. And I was saying to myself, right, great. While we were delivering high, I was saying to myself, okay, if we can sweep this liquidity, we can take shorts because we're not going to probably take out in one move this high because it's a strong rejection block. How y'all see, price has rejected from it multiple times, and so I wasn't thinking it will be taken out in one move. So I was thinking, okay, we're probably going to get ourselves a little pullback to the downside. We can take an inversion of somewhere here because we're bouncing off this 15-minute gap. So what do we get? We get ourselves a 2 minute inversion. This wick is just really, this candle is really big. So I wanted to get a pullback in order to take this trade. And so yeah, I wanted to take it around here, but the market was just hating on me this day and it didn't let me go in with my full 1%. So I went in with around 1.5, 1.6%, and I went in around here, but we still got ourselves a little over 1 RR, and we hit this trade in 1 minute. So you're probably asking, okay, why weren't you done with the day? Because I was confident about us getting another trade because now we bounced off this 15-minute gap. We have swept all this liquidity inside this 3 minute gap. At my take profit at this liquidity, and now we're delivering higher. And I was thinking, okay, if we can get a inversion, if we can invest this gap to the upside, then we can take longs because we at that time haven't still taken out this liquidity. It's just showing because in replay it shows the whole candle. So I haven't taken out this liquidity, and it's great. It's a great trade to take. So I'm like, all right, that is very great. I'm going to take this trade to the upside. Right? We got ourselves a clean inversion. Do I want to take it off here with this ridiculous candle? Nope. I waited for a pull back, and I could have gotten a better entry around here, but I wasn't greedy. I was just saying to myself, and on live trade, I was like, okay, if we do get a pullback, I'm going to take this. If it just rips higher, I'm not going to take shit, and I'm good with today's trade. And we got ourselves a perfect pullback. So I went in with around 1%, it was 0.9, something like that. And then we had a clean price action. Perfect. If we go on 2 minutes, was a right. It's lagging again. It was a perfect delivery. We swept everything looking nice. We swept this high, so it was great. It was really great trade. Oh no, my misunderstanding. Well, I guess this high was already taken, but I swear when I took this trade it wasn't. Right, whatever. So I remember we went break even on the live trade recap around here, but a couple seconds after going break even, we had our take profit. Also, we had got ourselves a little heart attack, because look at this move downwards. It was getting close to our stop loss, but I wasn't stressing. I was telling to myself and to y'all guys in the live trade, if we invest this gap, then I'm taken out, because then we're going to deliver lower and stop us out. So I'd rather than take it out at here. No, not full. No, not full loss. But we didn't get stopped out. It had a crazy pullback to the upside, and then with the next candle we hit our take profit. But this trade was really insane. We hit our take profit, I think, around 30-40 seconds. So they were up a pretty. Right, wait, let me leave this. We're up around. I just started a new account, so we're up 750 something. Around 1.6%, yeah. So not bad. Really not bad. A good trading day, and how y'all see this whole day we have been ripping really, really great. Really great. So yeah. This was it for today. Watch the live trade, watch the trade recap, and yeah, lock in. Don't you ever think about giving up. May God bless y'all. Stay safe and peace out, G's. I gotta let my mom in.